How to use action button on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, hold phone and you will see this is action button. So if you want to use, you will see turn up and up and down. You will see I will down action button, so turn on silent mode. So I will up action button, you will see silent mode is turned off. Up and down action button, silent mode is turned on and off. So after the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can use action button on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.